Okay, so today I will be doing problem number 15 on page 160 of the chapter 4 review, which is a two-column proof. In a two-column proof, you start by writing what's given. Which is segment GH is perpendicular to segment HJ. Also, segment KJ is perpendicular to segment HJ. Angle G is also congruent to angle K. Next, you write what to prove, which is triangle GHJ is congruent to triangle KJH. Now for the two-column proof. You write the statements on the left and the reasons on the right. Now we will prove. Number 1. Start by writing segment GH is perpendicular to segment HJ. Also, segment KJ is perpendicular to segment HJ. The reason is simple. It's given. Number 2. The measure of angle GHJ equals 90 degrees. Also, the measure of angle KJH equals 90 degrees. The reason is stated in the definition of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect to form right angles, which are 90 degrees. Number 3. Angle GHJ is congruent to angle KJH. The reason is definition of congruent angles, which states that congruent angles are angles that have equal measures. That is why they both equal 90 degrees. Moving on to number 4. Angle G is congruent to angle K. The reason is simple. It's given. Number 5. Segment HJ is congruent to segment HJ. The reason is the reflexive property, which is anything that represents A equals A, which is why segment HJ is congruent to HJ. Also, two angles could be congruent. Number 6. Triangle GHJ is congruent to triangle KJH. The reason stated in the AAS theorem, which says that if two angles in a non-included side of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. We have just proved problem number 15. Thank you.